Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to MOCA'S world. So it's autumn, and look what I got my hands on. Some Apfelstrudel Baileys. Oh my goodness. So of course I have to crack it open. Let me just give that a quick shake. And I have my little shot glass here. Just pour enough just to taste because I don't want to waste it. So as you see here, it's a light vanilla-like color. And cheers. Wow. This is really good. I mean, you definitely have the Baileys aftertaste. It does remind me a little bit of vanilla, Apfelstrudel. So good job, Baileys, good job. So of course I have to make myself a Cafè Latte with this Apfelstrudel flavor. I have my Baileys glass mug here. And some oat milk. So this is my Philips Senseo coffee machine. I love it. It makes so many different things. Check out my review video on that. And I fill the water reservoir. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And of course, the Apfelstrudel Baileys. Let's put a few drops, or more than a few drops of that. Yeah, that should be good. I want it to last all autumn. All right, so I'm going to select Cafè Latte. Okay, can't wait to taste this. A few more drops there. All right, so this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna give it a quick stir here. Cheers. Wow. This is so satisfying. Oh my goodness. Warm, creamy, tastes like Apfelstrudel, and it's just really, really satisfying. I'm so happy they came out with this flavor. Very good. A little drop of nutmeg would just take this over the top. Give that a quick stir. Yes. So good. So there you have it, guys. Autumn Cafè Latte featuring Apfelstrudel Baileys. Happy autumn. Check out my video reviewing my other favorite Baileys flavors.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified about new episodes.
Thanks for watching.